Here's a motorcycle tool pouch that I dismantled. Took it all apart, cut the side gussets out of it, and took the straps out. And then from that point, I wet this piece. It was really stiff. Put it in pretty hot water, let it soak, and then I flattened it out overnight. The next morning I came in and made a paper pattern of this, kind of cleaned it up. It's 9 3/4 in width and 16 inches in length, and I just rounded the corners on one end. That would be the end that like that, and it's pretty simple to make. Actually, I think I probably worked on that about 3 hours off and on. I did sew the gusset on the side with my cowboy sewing machine and the riser plate, and got it. Well, I sewed it with white 346 polyester thread, and then came back and dyed the stitches. And now I need to wipe the harness oil off. I used this Picard harness oil. I really like that because I think it's got some beeswax in it that, or it smells like it does, but it will help preserve the leather. So now, after I've let this set overnight, I'll take this towel and wipe off the excess oil. This is a stiff piece of leather. It came from Weaver Leather. It was a V-cut double shoulder. It's just perfect for being a durable pouch. What I did is use the reuse the $9.99 buckles. It's kind of a lightweight $9.99. I put new loops, 1-inch loops on there. These are 1 inch wide, and these straps are a 1/2 inch wide. I put a lot of holes in there for adjustment, and this is a number 121 stainless steel buckle. Put copper rivets in the stress points, and then I use copper rivets to hold the straps that go around. Kind of a fun project to do. Now that I have my pattern, I can make some more. And anyway, thought you would enjoy seeing that and give you a few tips on making your own. I didn't actually glue this piece in there. I had wet it and kind of shaped it, cupped it, and just guided it as I sewed it on my machine over there. Here's a look at the riser plate on my machine. It raises this portion up, and it's easier to get something like that pouch up in there to sew that. I'll give you a close-up shot of that. You can very easily hand sew this piece in there, and I would use a 3/16 inch stitch. 1/4 inch might be a little bit long, but you could use a hand awl and hand sewing awl, and punch those holes and hand sew that with no problem. Really getting with it with the fresh patterns and everything. you should be able to build a pouch like this in 2 to 3 hours, and even sew your gussets in there. All right, appreciate you watching this.